I keep wondering, what is Kawatch?
It is a complete laptop protection plan. Be it hardware or software issues, the costs of repairs and services and the costs of spare parts all are covered.
How does it work?
Seems interesting. I wanna know too.
Get your very own plan for Rs 1499 only and get immediate repair credits of 10,000. One plan for one laptop for 1 year. Acer, Asus, Dell, Sony, Lenovo, Samsung, Toshiba, and HP.
How to avail your services?
During the ongoing plan, any accidental damages such as broken screens, liquid spills, electrical, log into your account at our website and raise a claim request from your account. For software related issues, our tech support team will assist you over the phone.